Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, Discover Boss, and you're on the Raymore Reviews. So we are driving down Waltham Park Road, heading to the vicinity of Bay Farm Road. So that's why we're driving today. So Waltham Park Road, Bay Farm Road, into Olympic Way, Olympic Gardens. What we're going to do as well is to take a look. There's a police station under construction in Olympic Gardens. Quite big, good size police station. So we want to take a glimpse of that as well. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining this video. Remember, if you're new, to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, so that's turn that red subscribe button to gray. Remember to leave a comment as well, and share the video and like the video. So stay tuned, drive along, and if any of you viewers are subscribers, it's from any of these areas that I'll pass, you can definitely let me know in the comment section. You know, the other day I did a drive up Barbican side and somebody commented and said, hey, you passed my yard. So, you know, once I pass somewhere that you used to live or close to your place, just, you know, give us a buzz in the comment section as well. So, heading down Waltham Park Road, we'll be heading on to Bay Farm Road shortly. Alright guys, so it's another day on the Jamaican road with these buses and taxis. As I realized, you were stopping to pick up a passenger on the green light. So if you're not used to driving in Jamaica, if you've never driven in Jamaica, you know, it's good for the very first time to have somebody with you, especially, you know, if you're a tourist, if you live overseas and just visit as well. But the roads can be crazy. So we're on Bay Farm Road. Alright guys, so directly in front of me is the police station under construction in Olympic Gardens. I'm gonna pull over here and see if I can get a quick side shot, and then we'll try to get a front shot as well. Alright guys, and definitely let me know what you think about this police station, the location, the size and everything. It's definitely one of the bigger police stations they're building right now. I think Maypen might have the biggest police station based on my checks. They converted a plaza into a police station for the Maypen police station, but this one is the Olympic Gardens police station. Let me know what you guys think. Design, size, location. It looks like 3 floors with a rooftop area. Alright, so Olympic Gardens police station under construction. Let me know what you think, guys. Alright guys, there you had it. Olympic Gardens police station right in the center of Olympic Gardens. I'm just gonna go down the road and turn back and come up. I'll also try to get shots from a different angle, so I'll try that as well for you guys. And again, leave your comments, leave your suggestion, and definitely let me know what you think. I'll turn right here. So this is the back of the police station. Alright guys, I'm gonna try and get a front view for you guys. Just getting some parking, and then I give a front view. So thanks for watching this far. As usual, remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe as well. Subscribing is completely free. And thanks for watching. So just a moment, gonna give you guys a quick front view.